Well, hello everyone. Welcome to my ePortfolio. As you can see, we are on my WordPress website, SimplyTQ. Let's start things off by looking at my home page. As you can see, I'm at home, and it just says, welcome to SimplyTQ, explore and enjoy. As you can see below, it's latest from the blog, so you can click on each of these to see each of my blog posts individually. And then as you go lower, you can see the subscribe button to subscribe to the website. As we scroll up, we can go to a little bit about me, which is my bio page. So I say, hello readers, my name is Jamie Rubin. I state where I'm from, as well as my interests in getting a degree in elementary education at USF. I describe myself as well as I describe some of my interests. And then I also include just a little picture of me. As we travel on to the blog, as you can see, there's just the mountain tops. And let's first look at my resume, which you just click, and you can see this little guy with a little paper and briefcase that says resume. And it's very easy. You can just click the download button, and this will take you to my resume. So here I have my name, the interest in elementary education, as well as my email and cell. I include my goals, such as the objective, my experiences, my skills, previous education, again at the bottom my email and phone number, as well as some volunteering and leadership experience I have. If we travel back on to the website, you can go back. And now we're back at the blog posts, and now we can click on samples of my work. Now this includes lesson plans, observation reports I've previously done in past classes. This will contain reflections, my personal philosophy in education, and just to note that some of these plans were collaborative, so I worked with others. The first one was the Social Justice Unit Plan on Anti-Bullying. Here I just note how it is a slideshow and that we did a unit plan for anti-bullying for middle school, and we touched on multiple different courses and provided lesson plans for each course. The next one was the prime factorization lesson plan, in which we dove into math and I investigated some of the lesson plans there. I chose prime factorization, where students learn through investigation and solve collective and individual problems. And then we have observation reports 1, 2, and 3. Here we were looking at sample videos of classrooms that focused on a broad spectrum of elementary, middle school, and high school students. Afterwards, we reflected on the teaching methods used and the philosophies we had seen, and then we asked further questions. To click on this would be the anti-bullying unit plan. As you can see, we just went through each of these slides. There's reading, art, as well as health science, as well as the assessments for each. If we click on over back towards the lesson plan project, we see prime factorization. I decode some of the objective purposes of this plan, and as well as the materials, the resources, and actual step-by-step plan. Afterwards, I reflect on this plan from what I learned and then applied it to what I had seen in the videos. Then we're going to go back to here, and here's just a sample of what a observational report would look like. Here we are observing kindergarten and 11th grade, so as I said, a broad spectrum. We always focused on each week certain topics such as classroom management, and then at the end, we recognized 2 to 3 questions that we had, which always just helped us reflect and keep our brains thinking. As you can see, I included links as well as downloads for the PDFs, and I will be submitting the WordPress website for my link. Thanks, everyone.